Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today, as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and the product we'll be reviewing, as you saw in the title of my video, is the main choice. It's the Biotin-infused styling gel. If you know me at all, you know that I love things that smell amazing, and this smells so good. It smells like bubble bath, and it is quite runny. It sort of smells like Radox bubble bath, and it isn't a strong, harsh, potent smell. It's like soothing and calming. For £10.99, this is a 16-ounce container, so this is quite reasonable actually. That's quite a lot of gel in there for £10.99. That price is average. I wouldn't say it's the cheapest, but it's nowhere near the expensive one, so this is a good amount. If you're new, you'll want to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all my latest tips and tricks. And please like this video and leave a comment below. I want to know what you think. I am styling my hair how I usually do, using the raking method. As you can see, just raking the product through my hair. And on the container, it says men's detectable damage. Wow, I did not expect that. For a gel solution to be able to mend detectable damage? Okay. Well, my hair isn't damaged, but I am losing my edges and like the front bit of my hair. I did a video just before this about postpartum hair loss, and let's see how this goes, like what it actually does. I'd be interested to know. Can you see how easily my hand is just gliding through my hair? This product has great slip. It is so good, and my hair did feel really soft and moisturized. So firstly, this is a great product. There's no parabens, no petroleum, no sulfates, no mineral oil. And this is a great company. Like, they've given you directions to define curls, and then what to do for second day hair, and then directions to smooth edges and what to do for second day hair. I mean, you're already helping your customer. Good on you. So to define curls, the bottle or container says, on clean, damp hair, apply gel evenly from root to end, working curls into your desired style. For faster drying, sit under a dryer or use a blow dryer with a diffuser. Like, that's great already. My hair is damp, so to make sure to use it on damp hair. And then to smooth edges, it just says on clean, damp hair, apply gel evenly to edges, then smooth edges with the palm of your hand, and finally brush edges gently to smooth in product. So you can use this as an edge control as well as a gel, from what I'm getting here. It's also infused with biotin, avocado oil, and vitamin E. These are all great products or ingredients to have in a product. It claims natural growth and retention solution, a healthy way to gel. So this basically is telling us it stimulates growth, which is very good. Like the solution for a gel, it's not a harsh gel, it's more nourishing to the hair. I wonder how good the hold will be. Only time shall tell. With such good products, that's really good. And it says it's not tested on animals either. Excellent product. Good on you, the main choice. Why haven't I used this before? I'll also say, when I was running the product through my fingers with my hair, it was smooth. My fingers were gliding through my hair. At the minute, I have knots for days. But for this to be so smoothing, I was very impressed. This is definitely the kind of product my hair needs and requires right now. It also claims that it's gentle enough for daily use, so you can use this every day. If you need to refresh your hair or your curls, or they feel just not moisturized, this product is apparently excellent. It does also claim that it moisturizes hair and tames frizz. I must say, as I said before, my hair feels so moisturized with this product. It does feel very light, so it doesn't feel like a heavy product either. So we'll see how hard the cast is, which means usually the harder the cast, the longer the curls last, like, you know, in days. But sometimes you don't want your hair to look like that. You want to have soft, bouncy curls, you know? I must add, it didn't take me very long to style my hair because the product was so moisturizing, as I said, which made it much easier to style the hair, less time. I'd say it's, you know, the average 20 minutes or so, give or take. But it didn't take long because my hair was detangled and the slip was perfect, so it made it easy to style. And there you have it. I've almost finished styling my hair. I would say it's the usual time for drying time. No more, not less, but maybe slightly less time, just because the product feels more lightweight, and so you don't have to wait as long. But you know, curly hair, if you air dry, it will take me 6 hours. If I diffuse, 45 minutes or so, and it's dry. So to be honest, I didn't time this, but I didn't think it took any longer or any quicker, to be honest. There you have it. The wet results look amazing. Honestly, I was like, yes, I'm so happy. I was happy with the result already. I did find there was quite a bit of frizz already in the front of my hair, which is why I took so long raking it over and over again. These are my results. This is actually day 2, so there wasn't much of a cast, so I didn't really need to fluff out the curls too much. There was a bit of volume already, as you can see. And this is day 4. Lots of frizz. Not so defined, but the curls are still holding up. I mean, we've still got some sort of definition. So thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. I want to know what you think about this product. Would you use it? Have you used it? Benefits? Not benefits? I would definitely give this product a 7 out of 10, just because it didn't last as long as I expected it to. But I do like the results and my hair is soft. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.